Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, yesterday I did do a video about a post that Usamke put up about her embracing the journey, and she put out some really cute pictures of herself, you guys. Now I did say with the comments, some people were just really being judgmental and coming for her, bemtshela ukuthi unesibindi girly, izinto ezinjalo, like why you're not going to get your age mates and all of that, you guys. And I guess today or yesterday, she decided to put her mental health first, you guys, and she disabled the comments. And I think honestly, that's the best thing she did for herself. But the thing is, like, you're going to disable comments up until when? Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't know, Uguti, when you are in these type of reality shows, how do you put a boundary with people? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because she doesn't really have a platform as yet where she can speak to people and say, Lanelan Lana, asingajwayelane gabi, or something like that. I don't know if she's gonna have to do that, guys, because what type of life are you gonna live on social media every time when you put up comments? Or how many people are you gonna have to block? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't know, but all I don't know, Wuti, how is she going to maneuver around this? Maybe, guys, in this season, there's going to be something that she possibly does that's going to maybe redeem her image. Or maybe next season, if she does come back, guys, I just foresee her trying to overcompensate to get people to like her. Because guys, you know one thing about social media, I don't think some of us who are not public figures get it what it's like for people to talk about you. Do you understand what I'm saying? I think when we're talking about people, it's like much more simpler. But when you on the other side of it, it affects your mental health in great ways. I'm sure that some of the stuff that people get to even say on her comment section, especially the harsh stuff, I'm sure she's asked herself some of those questions, you guys. But to get them from strangers, or to get people to speak about you in a way as if bayakwazi, whereas they don't know you, it must be a tough thing, guys. Especially if you are not coming from a background where uyijwayele lento. So you're coming from literally having, I can't even remember how many followers did she have before she was introduced as, or before she was known as a partner to Umusa. You're coming from that, and all of a sudden now you are like nationally known. You are nationally known. You trend, like literally everything you do is newsworthy. Guys, I really hope ukuthi she takes care of her mental health. If it means ukuthi akatshela umthombeni ukuthi akhiphe imali so she can go into therapy, maybe she should consider that. Though umthombeni might tell her ukuthi angithi ngikubuzile ukuthi uzoyimela na lento. I really hope, guys, wherever she is, she's okay. But listen, again, take the necessary steps that you need to take to protect your mental health. If it means stop posting on social media, be that person. Because at this point, guys, it's not cute. Anyway, guys, that is part of signing up to be on a reality TV show and getting people to pay to watch you. Obviously, we're going to have an opinion because we feel like, hey, bo, siyayikhokhela le content. And that's why we feel obliged or feel entitled to a certain extent to even have comments on such matters. But anyway, let's park it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. I really do hope to get a bit right, yes, because some of these things, guys, one thing I've noticed too with you when it comes to social media, all right, Tate, don't take it to your heart. Don't take it to your heart, or else I shame you won't live life, because people post whatever they want to post. And I'm talking about, when I'm speaking about that, I'm talking about people who are just rude or unnecessarily rude. People will come and leave a comment like that. Bona bayanala ebusuku, they go on with their lives wena impilo yakho nje imile awulala ebusuku because of that one rude comment. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's how I'm saying I really hope ukuthi wherever she is, she's okay, because that comment section was wild, to say the least. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just a way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.